Welcome back, friends. Previously we start chapter number 8, that is a decimal. Okay. Now what is a decimal? The number that include the decimal point. We learn that in a decimal point we have a two part. One is a whole part and one is a decimal part. Also we learn how to write the place value for each digit in a decimal number. So as we are moving from the decimal point on right side, so we need to divide the number by 10, and as we are moving on left hand side, we need to multiply the digits with the 10. Okay, so on right side we need to divide by 10 and on left side we need to multiply with 10. So that way we can get the place value of each digit in a decimal number. Okay, now today we will learn how to read the decimal point number. So what is the decimal number? How can we read it? So here two methods is there to read the decimal number. So one is read the whole part first. Read the decimal point as a point and read the number to the right to the decimal point. So how can we read if we have 70.25? So it is 17. Read the whole part, then read the decimal point as a point and digits on right side as a 25. So it is 17.25. Clear? Second method is first read the whole part, read the decimal point as end and read the number to the right to the decimal point and name the place name of the last digit. So how can we read it? If we have a 8.527, it is read as 8 and 527,000 place value of last digit you need to write at the last. So this way you can read the digits. How can we perform the first method? So first if we have this kind of number, then if we use the first method, then read the whole part, that is 2.53. Okay, 2.5. Or if we use the second method, then how can we read it? 2 and 5300. Why? Because place value of 3 is what? 100. So it is 2 and 5300. So let's solve some example in which we need to write the place value. Today we will write the place name of the digits in both methods. Here we are writing the name of decimal number using both methods. But in exam you need to write only in one method. So let's start. First number is given 8.1. So we can write it as 8. If we perform the first method, 8.1. Now if we use the second method, so how can we read it? 8 and 1/10. So this is the name of first digit. Now for second one, here 0.75, so it is written as 0. Whole part is 0, so it is 0. Now read this decimal point as a point. 75. Or we can read it as a 0 and 7500. Or you can directly write it as a 7500. You can skip the 0 and, okay, because 7500 it is nothing but 0.75. Clear? Now next 9.07. So we say 9.07. Or you can write it as a 9 and what is the place value of last? 700. So it is 9 and 700. Now next one, here 12.061. So it is read as 12.061, or we can read it as 12.61. Now what is the place value of 1? It is at the thousandth place, so it is 61,000. So or we can read it as 12 and 61,000. For next one, 5.009. We can read it as a 5.009, or we can read it as a 5 and 9 because these digits are 0. So 9,000. 5 and 9,000. In exam, you need to follow only one method. You can write the name according to this method or according to this. Now, let's take some example in which we need to write the place value table for a number. So here, write the following decimal in a place value table. So here, numbers are given. We will make only one place value table and represent all number in a one place value table. So let's draw a place value table first. Now here, what is the largest number? You can see it is 735.25. That will be largest. So here we need to move up to 100 place from the left side. So here we can write 100. After that, tens, ones. Now, so after tens, we have decimal part. So it is 10. After tenth, we have 100th part. And you can see there are largest 3 digits after decimal point, so we can draw up to 1000. Now, here we know that ones place, it means multiply it with 1. Tens place, it means multiply it with 10. And 100 place, it is multiply with 100. Tenth place, it means divide by 10. 100 is divide by 100 and 1000 means divide by 1000. Okay. So this way we can get the place value table. Now write the digits in a place value table. So for first, here you can see 735. So 735 will be like this. 7 will be in a 100 place, 3 tens place and 5 ones place. 2 5. So 2 at the 10th place, so it is here. 5 at the 100th place, so it is here, and 1000 place is not given, so you can write 0 or you can skip the digit. Okay. Now next one, 10 0 5. So 0 is at the 1's place, so it is here. 1 at the 10th place. 0 that is 10th place, so 0 will be here, and 5 it is at the 100th place. Now 45.205. So here 45. 4 is at the 10th place, so it is 4 here. 5 at the 1's place, so it will be here. 2 at the 10th place, 0 at the 100th place, and 5 at the 1000th place. So place value table will be like this. Now for next two. 0.775. So 0 is at the 1's place, so 0 will be here in the 1's place. 7 that is after decimal point, it is at the 10th place. 7 That is again at the 100th place and 5 at the 1000th place. Now last one. So here 43. So 4 at the 10th place. So that will be here. 3 at the 1st place. So 3 in a 1st place. 0 is in 10th place. 100 has 0 and 7 that is at the last 1000th place. So this way we can write place value table for each digit. We need to make only one table and write the digit in a specific place. Now the place value table is given and you need to write the decimal point. So here place value table is already drawn. So 1000, hundreds, tens. So these are the whole part. 1000, 100 and tens that represent whole part. 1, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So we have 4 digits in a whole part. 10, 100 and 1000. So there are 3 digits in a decimal part. Okay. So let's write the name, number for each. So here first, second, third and. So for the first one, it is 4350 because one's digit is 0. So we can write for the first, it is 4350. Now 10th part, it means we have a decimal point 754. So it is 754. So this is the decimal number from the place value. Now here 1 at the 1/10th place, 5 at the 1's place. So this will be whole part. So 15.05 because 0 is at the 10th place, 5 at the 100th place. So 0, 5. So that is the decimal. Now for next one, 3 at 1000 place, 6 at the 100th place, 5 at the 10th place and 0 at the 1's place. So 3650. In third one we have 3650. That is our whole part. And 0 that is at the 10th place. So from 0 we need to write the decimal point 025. So that is our decimal number. Now for next one, 2 is at the 100th place. So we can write for fourth one 2. Then 10th place is 9 and 1's place is 4. So 294. After that we need to make a point 7 that is at the 10th place 0. So this way we can write the decimal number from the place value. So now we will start some example in which we need to write the decimal word, point in a word. So let's start 250.05. So how can we read it? I am writing the name in a both of method, but you need to write only in a one method. So let's start here first. It is written as 250. Now point 05. Or you can write 250. 55. After point there is only 5, so 5. But 5 is at what place? It is at the 100th place. So it is 5. Point is written as N. 5 hundredths. Clear? Now next 0.75. So it is written as 0. Decimal point is written as 0.75. Or we can write it as a 775, but 5 is at the 100th place, so we can only write 75 hundred. Or you can write 0 and 7500. Then it is also correct. 7500 means 0.75. Clear? Now next one, 8.005. So we can read it as a 0.005, or we can read it as 8 and. Now what is the place value of 5? It is at the thousandth place. So 8 and 5 thousand. Okay. Now next one. Here 0.635. So we can read it as 0.635, or we can read it as a 635, but it is thousand. So it is 635,000. So this is the way we can write the name for decimal. Now next one, write the decimal number from the name. So here first 47 and 6 tenth. So 6 is at the 10th place. So here we can write 47 and is there, means we have a decimal point. 6 tenth means it is 6 by 10. So here we can write 47.6. So this is the decimal. Now for next one, 23. So here whole part is 23 and is that, means we have a decimal point here 15,000. So we can write it as a 15 divided by 1000. So what is the decimal point? It is 23.015. Okay. Now next one, 406. So it is 406 is like this, and is there, means we have a decimal point 5,000. So it is 5 divided by 1000. So what is the decimal point? 406. Point. 10th part is 0, 100th part is 0, 1000th part is 5. So it is 005. So this way we can write the decimal. Here some examples are given. Write place value table for this 4 number. Write in a word. So 4 number are given and you need to write the word. Here number name is given